Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix the finals, packet loss, high ping, stuttering and network jitter. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to go on search and write create restore point. Then what you need to do here is to press create and then name it whatever you like. So for example, the finals, right? Press create, and in case if something went bad, you can always go back here and restore basically your PC settings before you changing some settings, right? So you just need to go to restore, choose different restore point, press next, and then select the finals and complete these steps, right? So this is the first step. Second step, what I suggest to do here is to go and view network connections. And then here, if you have more than one network connection and you don't use it, just right click and disable it, right? Like this, right click, and for me is enabled, but for you should be disabled, and just leave with the things you only use. Then right click on your internet connection, in my case is Ethernet, go to properties, then make sure client for Microsoft Networks and Internet Protocol version 4 is in only 2 options enabled, and disable everything else. Just uncheck it like this and then apply the changes. Then you need to right click again, go to properties, go to and press configure, then go to power management and make sure allow this device to wake the computer is only option selected. Then go to advanced and copy my settings here. Advanced EEE and RP offload should be disabled. EEE max support speed don't change. Energy efficient Ethernet, flow control, gigabit light, green Ethernet, interrupt moderation, IPv4, checksum offload, jumbo frame, large send offload v2, IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled. Then network address not present, NS offload disabled, power saving mode disabled, priority and VLAN should be priority and VLAN enabled, receive buffers don't change anything, leave it as it is, shutdown wake on LAN disabled, speed and duplex make sure it's highest available, TCP checksum offload IPv4 and TCP checksum offload IPv6 should be disabled, transmit buffers leave it as this, UDP checksum offload IPv4 and IPv6 should be disabled, VLAN ID leave it as this, wake on magic packet, wake on pattern match disabled, WOL shutdown and link speed don't change it, and apply the changes, right? Then you need to right click again, go to properties, go to Internet Protocol version 4, and then you need to put some DNS server addresses. So basically there is 2 main ones, Google one and Cloudflare. I'm using Cloudflare because I'm getting the best results, but for you, you need to test it out first before you putting DNS servers. So you just need to open up command prompt, then here, command prompt, and make sure to open as admin. So cmd, and then run as admin, okay? Then what you need to do here is to write ping, and then I will write first Google DNS server addresses. So the first Google DNS server address is 8.8.8.8, and wait until it loads up, and then look what average MS you're getting. In my case, is 7 with 0 packet loss. So go ahead and put secondary Google DNS server address. So it's ping 8.8.4.4. Look what you're getting here. I'm getting 7 MS as well. So on average, 7 MS. If I put Cloudflare, ping 1.1.1.1, as you can see here, I'm getting 3 MS with 0 packet loss. And if I put secondary Cloudflare DNS server address, ping 1.0.0.1, I'm getting 4 MS. So basically, best results I'm getting with the Cloudflare. So put DNS server addresses that you're getting better results with, press OK, restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then I highly advise you to use exit lag. If you click my link in the description below, you can get free trial and just set up everything here. When I did not have had a Ethernet connection, I used exit lag to play CS2 because without it, it wasn't playable. And to set up everything here, it's quite easy. You just need to go to library, then you need to look for the finals. Click on it, then you need to select, choose a region, choose the nearest one, and then you just need to press apply routes. And once routes applied successfully, you just need to launch the game and look if you're getting better results or not. That's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like.